Caterpillar Reman has been around for almost a half a century, and we're continuing to grow with our focus on the aftermarket and keeping customers up and running to evaluate repair options and put new offerings out there. When you buy a Cat product, you buy it for life, and we as Cat Reman are an integral part of keeping that machine or engine up and running for the lifetime of the product. We have a commitment to have service repair options for you, be it new or Cat Reman. We will work with those customers, especially as those products evolve over time. As something gets further into its life, we may have a different repair option for maybe a complete engine later in life, whereas early in life we would just have a component. I get personal satisfaction out of knowing that we are giving the proper repair options to our customers to allow them to keep their machines up and running. Our products are designed for multiple lives. We have state-of-the-art salvage and cleaning techniques and assembly processes, and we have the dealer network around the world to get the product to the customer and get that core back, which is the lifeblood of Cat Reman. One of the things you get when you buy a Cat Reman product is you're getting product from the same people that designed the new product. Who would you rather get your components and repair options from? Somebody who's a third party, or the same people who designed and developed it and knew all the specifications of new? When you get those Cat Reman components, whether you're getting it at the component level or the complete assembly level like an engine or transmission, it's always getting the same standards, like new performance backed by the Cat warranty. We're committed to standing by you and giving you the offerings you need to keep your product up and running for as long as you need it.